Here at Mod, we are all about organization. And most times on this channel, we focus on organizing your physical spaces. But just like a clean home or office space, an organized phone, computer, and online presence can make a surprising change in your productivity and your overall mood. So today we are going to focus on decluttering and organizing your virtual world with our 6 tips to a digital spring clean. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jacqueline Poole with Mod Assistants. Here at Mod, we have a team of personal assistants that go into our clients' home and help with everyday household tasks, as well as a team of virtual assistants that help small business owners with their administrative projects. And on this channel, we take the years of experience from both sides to help you within your home and at your business. Email has an uncanny ability to become a digital hoard in no time at all. It is not difficult to declutter and clean out your email inbox. It just takes the time. You need to give yourself the time to sit down and actually do it. Start by unsubscribing from email newsletters or sales emails that you no longer need. Also be sure to mark any emails as spam if they shouldn't be in your inbox at all. Once you clean everything out, then you're going to want to start organizing and personalizing your inbox so it is manageable for you to keep up with this organization in the future. Set up folders and filters for important emails. These could be emails from your kids' school or kids' activities, perhaps activities or hobbies that you have yourself, or emails from your bank or from your car loans. Any of those emails that are truly important that you need to see, set up a filter so they are going into their own folder. And when you sign into your email inbox, it is easy for you to go directly to those important folders. The goal here, of course, is to clean out all of the junk and set yourself up for success in the future. If you are interested in an even more deep dive into how to clean and organize your email inbox, we have a whole video on that topic, and we'll link it up here or in the description box below. Raise your hand if you open up your laptop or sign onto your computer and instantly feel overwhelmed by how much is on your desktop. You are not alone. This happens to all of us. If your desktop is full of random files, now is the time to sit down and organize. Just like we talked about with email, this task isn't difficult. It just takes time and attention. So now that we are into spring and we're digitally organizing for this new season, sit down and clean out that desktop. If you have any really large files, now would be a great time to put those files into an external hard drive so it is not taking up too much memory on your laptop or computer. If you use a service such as Dropbox or Google Drive, move some of those files from your desktop into those places to store again outside of the memory being used on your computer. The goal here is to have safe storage for important files, get rid of the junk, and have an overall organized desktop. If you thought your desktop was bad, let's take a look at your downloads folder. That is truly a black hole for PDFs, documents, images, and who knows what else. And it is a place on your computer that you rarely go to check and clean out. So just like we're doing with everything else, today is the day for spring cleaning that downloads folder. You just set up all of this organization in the last step when you were cleaning out your desktop with new folders, with using your external hard drive. Use those efforts now when you're cleaning out your downloads folder. It can be so easy to just go through, click select all, and get rid of everything you see. But you do want to take a moment just to make sure you're not getting rid of any valuable information. So sit down, go through it, save what is needed, and then get rid of the rest. While we're at it, since we cleaned out our desktop and cleaned out our downloads folder, let's do the same thing for trash. Just like we talked about with downloads, you will be tempted to just empty trash without looking through those files. But if you have months worth of files in your trash bin, you do want to take just a moment to make sure you don't delete anything important. So do that now, just like we did with the other 2 steps, and you will have a clear, organized computer moving forward in the season. If you've seen any of our other spring cleaning or cleaning, decluttering, and organized videos for your physical spaces, you know that first we like to declutter, trash items that aren't needed, and do an overall organization of the space. And then we like to spruce things up and bring in some elements of the new season to brighten the whole space. And we do that exact same thing with our digital world as well. Now that everything is clean and organized on that computer and within your digital space, take some time to spruce things up and add in some color and fun for the spring season. Change up the background on your computer. Edit the profile pictures on your social media apps. Give your digital space a fresh look to boost that mood. We couldn't go through a whole spring cleaning video without doing some actual physical cleaning. And yes, we are talking about the digital space in today's video, but your technology does need a physical clean more often than you would think. And it's likely that you rarely clean those items. So let's do that today along with our spring cleaning. Let's start with that laptop. For your laptop, you are going to need a few items to make sure it's cleaned properly and you're not causing any damage to your item. We love to use this specialty cloth to clean the screen of the laptop to get off any fingerprints, dirt, and debris. And we also love this compressed air to clean out any crumbs, dust, again, dirt and debris that get into the keyboard of your laptop or computer. These items are really easy to find on Amazon or in any of your local office stores. We'll link some down below. To sanitize any of your technology, most importantly your phone, because it is such a high-touch surface, you're going to want to use an alcohol-based wipe or spray to gently clean and sanitize these items. After you're done cleaning and sanitizing your items, take a look at all of your accessories for your technology and make sure nothing needs to be replaced. If you have a case on your phone that has a crack in it, now's a good time to purchase a new one. And same thing with your laptop. You don't want to be going around using accessories that are supposed to protect your items. If they're broken, they're not going to do their job. And just like we talked about earlier, adding in some new seasonal decor is not just for your home. If you'd like to add some fun seasonal decor to your technology, get yourself a fun new floral or bright colored phone case, or do the same with your laptop. Now is the time to be ruthless for any unused apps or programs on your technology. So looking at your laptop or computer as well as your phone, you probably have several apps on either one of those devices that you no longer use. Perhaps you downloaded an app for one specific situation and it's still there on your device taking up space and not being used. So go through and get rid of apps that you are not consistently using. Don't tell yourself that you're going to use it in the future. If that happens, you could always download it again. For now, if you're not using it, get rid of it. A bonus tip for you as you're going through your spring digital cleaning, we also like to update all of our passwords for our most used websites, apps, logins online. We like to do this more than just once a year during spring cleaning, but this is a great time to go through and do it if you are not someone that is consistently updating your passwords. It is so important to make sure all of your passwords and credentials are secure in today's day and age when we need to truly protect ourselves online. And you should be changing these passwords frequently. So today is the day to go through and change those passwords and make sure that your accounts are secure. You know that feeling when you look around your home after you've fully cleaned, organized, and decluttered, and it's just a feeling of calm and order? We hope you feel this way today after going through the organization of your digital spaces. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like it and leave us a comment below letting us know which of these tips you found to be the most helpful. And if you have any suggestions yourself on how you like to digitally organize, Leave it in the comments below. We love hearing your feedback. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to our channel before you leave. We post every single week here on YouTube with content to help within your home and at your small business. And we will see you in the next video.